Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 10. It is from chapter 22 of College Physics by OpenStax. Okay, so we have an electron that's moving. We know its velocity. Well, we know its speed. We don't know its velocity. We know the magnetic field it's in. We know the magnitude of that. And we know the magnetic force it has. And we know the magnitude of that. We don't have the direction of anything. But we need to find what angle does the velocity of the electron make with the magnetic field. And there's two different answers. All right, so let's list what we know. We know the speed is 4.00 times 10 cubed meters per second. We know the field, magnitude of the field is 1.25 teslas. We know the magnitude of the force is 1.40 times 10 to the minus 16 newtons. Okay, and we don't know theta 1, and we don't know theta 2. Okay, we have two angles because we can arrange a sine of theta 1 that's equal to a sine of theta 2. And so if we just draw a quick sketch. Okay, so we can have, say, a theta 1, and then we can have a theta 2, which goes all the way around like so. Both will have the same y component, and so that's why we're going to have two answers. All right, so we know magnetic force is QVB times the sine of theta. All right, we have everything except sine theta, so we just need to divide both sides by QVB. And we get sine theta is magnetic force over QVB. And we take the sine inverse of both sides, so theta is the sine inverse of magnetic force over QVB. Okay, so theta is the sine inverse. Okay, the force is 1.40 times 10 to the minus 16 newtons. Okay, Q, it's an electron, so that's 1.60 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs. And we're just going to take the magnitude since we only have magnitudes anyway. And let's see, we've got a speed of 4.00 times 10 cubed meters per second. And I have run out of room, so let me just move it over to save writing and time. Okay. Extend that. Okay, now we've got our magnetic field B, 1.25 teslas. Okay, we need the sine inverse of all that. Okay, I found theta is equal to 10.078 degrees. So I called it 10.1 degrees. So that's our, we can call it theta 1. 10.1 degrees. That is a quadrant 1 angle. And so to find the other angle, theta 2 will be 180 minus theta 1. So we're using quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Okay? And so we are going to have 180 minus 10.1. Both of those are degrees. And we find theta 2 is 169.9 degrees. So there are the two possible angles. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.